Hi friends, in this video I am going to talk about how to create version and compare the version and revert the version in AEM. Go to sites or default project vRetail, language master under English. This is our demo page. Select and go to timeline. Here we have option, click it and save as a new version. I have created version here for a few seconds ago and I am going to edit the page now. Here I am going to add for new image. Select I'm going to drag and drop for the another image. In this page I have one text, green color image and sunrise image, and I have added another image also now. Okay. Again I am going to the version, refresh the page, select the page. It will show page edited few seconds ago by administrator. Again I am going to create a new version. Here I have created the version. Now I am going to check for compare. Compare we have two options. One is page comparison and we can use for Timewarp option. First I am going to explain how to check for compare option in via version. Select the page. This is our existing version. Select the version. We have option to compare to current version. Here you can see we have added for this new image. While comparing the version, we have identified for that. And I am going to check now for time wrap option. Time wrap option we can check by date and time wise. Go to time wrap. I am going to select for previous date. How this page was look and feel. Here you see for our newly added image not available. We can check the pages as per date, how the pages was look like. Go to exit time tab. And I am going to explain for how to revert the version. Select the page, select the edition which you want. I am going to use for this test version. I need this version, so I am going to revert this version. The page is restored, so I am going to check the page again now. Here you see we have added a new image. After refresh, the image is not available. This is the way we can use for version, compare and revert in AEM. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video to your friends. Thanks again.